You've probably heard of kids programs teaching STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and math, but there's a business in Bakersfield all about teaching STEAM, adding an A for art.
Eyewitness News reporter Emma Goss explains how the concept behind the Bakersfield business, Rigatoni and Robots, is welcoming more boys to the kitchen and girls to the sciences. Emma?
Dave Rochelle, Rigatoni and Robots really is just as fun a program as it is to say. From culinary arts to coding classes, it's an unusual recipe that's seeing tremendous success. What's special about this batch of chocolate chip M&M cookie dough is the young chef who's making it. From mixing dough to building bots.
Everything is hands-on, build it, do it, keep it, take it home.
Kids are blending creativity into engineering and chemistry into baking.
We have a full commercial grade kitchen, which is rare for a kids program. They use knives. When they make lasagnas, they make a full plate of lasagna.
Lori, Gann, and Lottie cooked up the concept behind Rigatoni and Robots 5 years ago.
It's something that didn't exist anywhere in the world, let alone in Bakersfield.
For 3 hours twice a month, kids ages 5 to 12 navigate the complexities of the kitchen with ease. And if they want to play with a toy like this, they make it themselves.
You're learning and having a lot of fun.
It hits all the different kinds of kids, and you might come in here because you're really into cooking and find that you love science and engineering.
It's fun to learn how to build new stuff.
Is it kind of breaking that barrier for boys and girls? Boys can love being in the kitchen, girls can love building robots.
Absolutely, especially the girls, to see the girls signing up for the robotics class. And then you see a kitchen half full of boys who are in here in their aprons cooking, taking home enchiladas. And so we'll make good husbands and good STEM tech employees someday.
A lesson in self-discovery that's feeding a healthy appetite for learning. Rigatoni and Robots now has over 500 kids a year, and starting next month, they'll be introducing a teen program for 12 to 15-year-olds. Reporting in studio, Emma Goss, Eyewitness News.